Hey guys, I hope you all are doing perfectly well. This is the first episode of Dubai travel series. I hope you guys enjoy it to the core. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. We are in Sharjah right now and this is the Sharjah Gold Souk. So we are just going to, click some pictures. And move on to the prime location of the day. And we have reached. I have heard so much about this place, like literally this place has its recognition in the Guinness World Book Record as well. This place is called the Miracle Garden and the entry ticket is like 50 dirhams.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me.
This garden is completely filled with life and colors, like it has got completely another level vibe. Also, they have got floral clock, floral castle, floral plane and various other shapes and patterns made with flowers. And they have also got fountains and dining area. If you are in Dubai and if you are visiting this garden, which I suggest you should, then make sure that you carry a water bottle with you because inside the food and water charges are too high. So basically this garden is 20 to 25 kilometers away from the Dubai city, but you can travel that much because it's all worth it. Dubai Miracle Garden is the largest natural flower garden in the world. This garden is spread over an area of 72,000 square meters. It has got over 150 million flowers arranged in such beautiful patterns and shapes. It is truly magnificent. Fun fact about this garden is that every year the theme of the garden keeps changing. Like if you are visiting Miracle Garden in 2018, you won't get to see the same theme in 2019. So it is always a new experience. और अगर ये गार्डन में आप जा रहे हो तो कम से कम 3 to 4 hours you'll have to make out for this garden because as I said it is very large and it is not possible for one person to cover up the entire garden in like 3 hours. There is so much to see and so much to observe. So make sure that you take out that much time, at least in that much time you'll be able to cover the maximum part of the garden.
To make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind?
And my favorite part of the garden was the Emirates plane and the cute cartoon characters. It was literally beautiful. Okay, so just for FYI, I am a pure vegetarian and it is very difficult for guys like me to find a pure veg hotel, and that is the reason why we are in this Bhaji Mandi of Dubai and we are going to buy some fruits for our breakfast for next couple of days. So here we go. So guys, fruits have been bought and we are on our way to the second location, which I am pretty excited about. So we have reached the location and just look at the crowd. That's right, we are at Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. the lightings, the sound, the water, it all looks so amazing. It was a real life experience. Me standing with my family amongst all the crowd in another country and witnessing something I'd only seen in pictures and videos online. I just loved it. I cannot imagine how beautiful it must have been when the tribute was paid to Shah Rukh Khan and the Friends reunion, and it was displayed all over Burj Khalifa, and also how they displayed "Stay Safe India" while the COVID was going on. Well, the COVID is still going on, but yeah, it must have been beautiful and so pretty. Today was such a wonderful experience. Okay guys, that's it for episode 1 of Dubai Travel Vlog series. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already and share this video. Do not forget to tell me in comment section below which part of this video did you like the most. Until we meet for the next time, keep smiling.